And then I'm just going into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, taking this pink shade bottom middle, bottom row, middle. This is just a, I got this bus from Tesco's so many years ago. The Tesco in Cornwall. I'm just gonna start pouncing that in, and feathering it out. So the other day I went to a wedding, a couple of weeks back now, and I didn't pack any eyeshadow. Well, I think I did, but the eyeshadows I did pack, when I looked at them, I was like, oh, I really don't fancy using these. And my sister had this really nice blush by MAC. I wish I knew what it was called, but the little sheen in it, a little shimmer, not much. It's just so pretty, so I ended up using that basically. I need a different brush. Just blending that back out. And since then I've been really feeling pink. Pink girl. Pink. Who would have thought this red would have come up so pink? I don't know. Nomad. This is in the Sahara 2 palette. Wow. Gonna give it a quick swatch for you guys. Swatch for the what is this, YouTube? Swatch for the tube. Swatch for the tube. Okay, or it's this like pearlescent pink with gold in it from the Zulu palette. I'm going to give you another swatch on a different finger. You guys ready? Okay, so I just took a little mix of them two colours. Should I do a lash? Shouldn't we go?
Oh.
The song.
You guys have no idea.
For inner cooler highlight from we're gonna keep to 2 palettes. I've been trying. We're gonna use Marrakesh. Oh! What just happened? Really, girl? Really? Is that what we're doing? Is that what we're doing today? We're gonna use Marrakesh. So now that's done, I'm gonna do my liner and my lashes off camera. So I'm back. I just did a quick liner using my usual, I'm sure this is Maybelline, but it's all faded out now. and I just used the Miss Sporty what is this? Pump Up 24-hour eyeliner waterproof. I know this is extra black, so I just used these two. This is my tried and true, and then I just did this to do a quick line because it's thinner, easier to use for on the lid. And for my mascara, I just used the Miss Sporty Studio Lash. This is the new one, but the wand heads are completely different. So, can you see that? Use my head as a background. So I just loved this. Has been the best mascara I've ever found in my whole entire life, and they discontinued it, so I'm so sad. So I just used them both because I love this, and this has a good formula, so I just did that. So what we've got to do now is just highlight and contour and our lips. Who's excited? Oh, and the lashes. My eyelashes are a lash. I'll tell you at the end of the video because I'm not getting up. I'm not getting up to find them right now. Wow, look how dirty this is. So it looks like I'm not using that. Taking the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm just going to be taking this brown up here. It's a little warm, but it's less warm than the other palette, so let's just hope. Just going to take, this is like a dirty wax brush or something, and pinch the end, the edge, the end, the feathers. Then we're just going to highlight. We're still going to be using the same palettes. I'm so original, aren't I? Oh wait, let me blush. I'm going to blush, taking my Soft Glow blusher by Collection. And this is just a setting brush by Rawr Techniques. I remember when I first got this, like it's called Soft Glow, and I'm sure it had a sheen on it. This is really like soft, really like soft. And I don't even like blush, and I have to do this. So I don't know about this. I don't know if you should have to work this hard for a blush. I'm gonna be real. But yeah, when I first got it, I was sure there was a sheen on it, and no, I'm not so sure. That was a waste of my time. So I'm just going to go into that Zulu palette and pick up a bit of the pink that we used in our eyeshadow. So we're just going to highlight now. We're going to highlight, can you see? Using the Sahara 2 palette. Just taking Marrakesh again. On the same brush. Look how much. Oh my god. Oh, it's so pretty over that pink. Oh. And finally for lips, I'm just going to take, this is a little balm. Some lips are so dry. Going to leave that on while we decide. So I can use the L'Oreal Incessant Rosette 312 L'Oreal Paris. I don't know what this is. It just says L'Oreal Paris. Like a liquid lip. We can use that. Or we can use the Colour Stay Overtime by Revlon. This is in the shade Everlasting Rum. So we're going in with the L'Oreal Paris. In a 312 L'Oreal Paris, whatever this thing is. Then it's got this on the top to like stop it from drying out, because it does get dry. But if I can find a damn cotton bud. But I know we're going to be taking this Hydro Gloss by Kika. This is in the shade 5. I'm going over top of that, especially before this dries. And yeah, I suppose we're done. Oh, I've got a set. You guys almost let me forget to set. So taking the same setting sprays from earlier and just set that face, girl. So I'm just going to put on a wig and a different shirt possibly and be right back. So I'm back. I wish there was like a wind turbine. It's not human hair, so it's not going to look cute anyway, but let's see what would happen if I did. Can you see me fan myself? Oh, I go blind. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys like this one. I'll be posting a lot more in the future, so bear with me please. So, like, follow, share this video, catch me there if you need me. If you have any questions, comments or concerns, don't be afraid to contact me and let me know your thoughts. I love being back and I hope you love this one, and I will see you guys soon. Love you. Bye guys.